Machu Picchu, ancient city in Peru. Machu Picchu is a 15th century Inca citadel, located in the eastern Cordillera of southern Peru on a 2,430 meter (7,970 feet) mountain ridge. It is located in the Machu Picchu district within Urubamba province above the Sacred Valley, which is 80 kilometers (50 miles) northwest of Cuzco. The Urubamba River flows past it, cutting through the Cordillera and creating a canyon with a tropical mountain climate. Most archaeologists believe that Machu Picchu was constructed as an estate for the Inca Emperor Pachacute, 1438–1472. Often mistakenly referred to as the Lost City of the Incas, it is the most familiar icon of Inca civilization. The Incas built the estate around 1450. Machu Picchu was built in the classical Inca style with polished dry stone walls. Its three primary structures are the Intihuatana, the Temple of the Sun, and the Room of the Three Windows. Most of the outlying buildings have been reconstructed in order to give tourists a better idea of how they originally appeared. By 1976, 30% of Machu Picchu had been restored and restoration continues. Machu Picchu was declared a Peruvian historic sanctuary in 1981 and a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. In 2007, Machu Picchu was voted one of the new 7 wonders of the world in a worldwide internet poll. Etymology: in the Quechua language, Machu means old or old person, while Picchu means either portion of cork being chewed or pyramid-pointed multi-sided solid cone. Thus the name of the site is sometimes interpreted as Old Mountain. Machu Picchu is believed by Richard L. Berger to have been built in the 1450s. Construction appears to date from two great Inca rulers, Pachacutec Inca Yupanqui 1438–1471 and Tupac Inca Yupanqui 1472–1493. There is a consensus among archaeologists that Pachacutec ordered the construction of the royal estate for himself, most likely after a successful military campaign. Though Machu Picchu is considered to be a royal estate, surprisingly it would not have been passed down in the line of succession. Rather, it was used for 80 years before being abandoned, seemingly because of the Spanish conquests in other parts of the Inca Empire. It is possible that most of its inhabitants died from smallpox introduced by travelers before the Spanish conquistadors arrived in the area. Human sacrifice and mysticism. Little information describes human sacrifices at Machu Picchu, though many sacrifices were never given a proper burial and their skeletal remains succumbed to the elements. However, there is evidence that containers were sacrificed to accompany a deceased noble in the afterlife. 107, 119 Animal, liquid and earth sacrifices to the gods were more common, made at the altar of the Condor. The tradition is upheld by members of the New Age Andean religion. Encounters. Even though Machu Picchu is located only about 80 kilometers 50 miles from the Inca capital in Cusco, the Spanish never found it and so did not plunder or destroy it. The conquistadors had notes of a place called Picho, although no record of a Spanish visit exists. Unlike other locations, sacred rocks often defaced by the conquistadors remain untouched at Machu Picchu. Over the centuries, the surrounding jungle overgrew the site, and few outside the immediate area knew of its existence. The site may have been discovered and plundered in 1867 by a German businessman, Augusto Burns. Some evidence indicates that the German engineer J.M. von Hassel arrived earlier. Maps show references to Machu Picchu as early as 1874. In 1911, American historian and explorer Hiram Bingham traveled the region looking for the old Inca capital and was led to Machu Picchu by a villager, Melchor Arteaga. Bingham found the name Agustin Lizarraga and the date 1902 written in charcoal on one of the walls. Though Bingham was not the first to visit the ruins. He was considered the scientific discoverer who brought Machu Picchu to international attention. Bingham organized another expedition in 1912 to undertake major clearing and excavation. In 1981, Peru declared an area of 325.92 square kilometers, 125.84 square miles surrounding Machu Picchu, a historic sanctuary. In addition to the ruins, the sanctuary includes a large portion of the adjoining region, rich with the flora and fauna of the Peruvian Yungas and Central Andean Vipuna ecoregions. Machu Picchu and other sites in the area are built over earthquake faults. This may not be a coincidence, according to 2019 research. One simple answer researchers now suggest is that that's where building materials for the site, large amounts of already fractured rock, were readily available. If you first came to my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon.